We're here on the lower slopes of Mount Dangar in the rugged sandstone ranges of Goulburn River National Park in the Upper Hunter region of New South Wales. Mount Dangar is an elevated basalt peak around 670 metres in elevation, and the only way to get there is an all-day trek on foot or with the assistance of helicopters.
The project Digital Hour has been something we've been thinking about for a number of years. We've always looked at where can technology help create better sustainable environmental outcomes. Well, what we're looking for in this project out here today across Mount Dangar is an endangered species which has small population numbers left called Acacia dangarensis. The benefit that Fujitsu provides is decades of understanding and research in technology. We understand technology really well, it's the core of what we do, but also we have that long-term thinking around sustainability, and when you combine the two together you can actually have a really powerful outcome. When we consult to our customers around IT and sustainability, we ask one key question: where do your main source of emissions come from? Because generally also where you've got the main source of emissions is also the main source of costs in your business. And they said our biggest costs come from helicopter jet fuel. I had this idea ticking in my head, could we actually replace helicopters with unmanned vehicles at a lower cost, lower emissions, and create a better outcome using video analytics?
We're here today for a two-day project to see if we could take some significant amount of footage and use Fujitsu's technical expertise in video analytics and doing the spatial mappings and identification of certain species that may be endangered.
If we start up here, we can work this way.
One of our main programs is the Saving Our Species program. In New South Wales there are close to 1,000 plant and animal species that are threatened with extinction. Mount Dangar is home to several threatened species, including Acacia dangarensis, which it occurs nowhere else on Earth. There's a second plant which is a daisy by the name of Senecio linearifolius variety dangarensis. To effectively manage threatened species within this rugged landscape, it is critical to understand the spatial distribution of threatened species and also the levels of weed incursions and other threats.
There's no doubt the drone technology has moved significantly the dial in the last couple of years, and the capability of this drone is quite phenomenal to where we were 2 or 3 years ago. First thing is we're going to fly and survey the area at different altitudes, collecting different levels of imagery, and then from there we're taking all that data and we're going to spend a lot of time in our labs training the artificial intelligence engine about identifying what that species is, programming the video analytics, so when we come back here again we might be able to fly at higher, faster altitude, cover more ground in less time. What it really will ensure is that we can accurately plot where they are. Extinct is forever, so we have a limited time opportunity to know where all these species are, make more informed decisions and protect it for future generations.
OEH is quite excited to be working with Fujitsu and the Digital Hour program. It will allow us to do more with less. The possibilities are almost endless for us.